Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will share with you how I made these super delicious apple beignets. So for this recipe I used puff pastry sheets, almond paste, cinnamon, oil to fry, apples and sugar. Start with mixing the sugar and cinnamon and set it aside. Remove the core of the apple, peel it and cut it in thick 1-inch slices. If you don't have an apple corer, you can carefully remove the core after slicing it, but please be careful. Put a slice of the apple on a puff pastry sheet and add the almond paste in the middle. If you do not have almond paste, you can leave it out altogether, that's okay too. Wet the edges of the puff pastry, put another puff pastry sheet on top and firmly press the edges. And we're doing this to avoid it from bursting open either in the oil or in the oven. Okay, so if you're frying it, fry it over medium heat of 175 Celsius until they're golden brown. You could also bake them in an oven. And to finish it off, I'm going to put it in my cinnamon sugar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.